I got me an idea here. I'm gonna put my trail camera on the back of my hideout keystone here, and we're gonna use this as a backup camera. That's all I'm gonna need. And the days of my wife helping me in the back are all over with.
Bunyan, what are you doing?
Fixing me to put up my trail camera on my hideout. I came up with a great idea.
Bunyan, we saw your winterizing. That's not the way to go. Follow me, I got something better for you, okay?
This won't work?
I got something better for you.
Okay.
So this is the Furrion camera I was telling you about, Bill.
So, am I gonna need any kind of fancy wiring for this?
Nope, all wireless.
Wireless, it just hooks up right up to my hideout.
Yes, sir.
What size screens? Because my vision isn't that good anymore. Does it come in some different sizes?
Exactly, we have 4-inch, 5-inch, and 7-inch, so whatever one works best for you.
Oh, golly, this is definitely gonna save my marriage. My wife helps me back up now. When she says to turn left, she means right, and right means left. You know what I mean? And the whole campground's watching me by the time I'm done.
Exactly, I got you, Bunyan.
So, what is this here? Is this the right and the left thing?
Yes, sir. So that's the side mirrors that will get installed as well.
Wow. Now, is this something that I can install, or do I need a technician?
Bill, we all saw your winterizing video. We'll take care of you, okay?
You can install it right here?
Yeah, we'll take care of everything at Veurink RV.
Sounds easy. Hook me up with a 7-inch.
Yes, sir.